Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore Elite French door refrigerator. It's 27.6 cubic feet. It's in excellent shape. I'm going to show you real quick that everything's working properly, perfectly on it. Let's start right here. I'll show you we've got water, ice select, we'll go to cubed. Get that here. Let it run about a batch of ice. There we go. And then water. Hopefully you can see that down in there. Ice and water. All that works perfectly. Could probably use a new filter. But other than that, you see all that works great. Alright, so now that we've seen the water and ice works, go ahead and open this up and show you the inside real quick. You've got the ice in the door. You still have all your compartments here. Everything works perfect. See, all of that's good to go. We'll pull this out down here. All these lights are working. And this is a extra ice, so you could dump from up here into here and then have twice the ice. I believe you could also install an ice maker down here if you wanted to, and it would put ice right into that bucket. Otherwise, it's also a little additional storage. Of course, you could just take it out if you wanted the extra freezer space. And let me show you the tag here as well. I'll have a picture of that in the ad, so you can get the model number, serial number, all that. Yeah, and there you go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks. Have a good day.